Welcome to video 129 in series 3, and now I'll go over item transparency. Okay, so at the moment whenever you have an object in front of you and you're carrying it and you're going to throw it, it obstructs your vision, doesn't it? So there is a simple way around that, and that's just to change the material when you pick it up. So all I'll do is I'll make a new material, and I'll just call it transparent. Oops, caps lock off, there we go, transparent. And I'll just change the rendering mode to transparent. I'll reduce that smoothness right down, and I'll change the alpha, that's the transparency now, to like 75. Okay, so that's the material done. Now I'll make a new script. And I'll call this item transparency. Okay, so private item master, public material transparent matte is what I'll call it, and private material primary matte is what I'll call it. Okay, I'll have a new method, two new methods, actually no, three probably. I won't need the update method, so I'll get rid of that. So void capture starting material. Okay. And in here all I'll say is that primary matte is equal to get component render dot material. And that'll capture the material. Then next one, void set to primary material. So that is get component renderer dot material is equal to primary matte. And I'll just copy this whole thing. And I'll say set to transparent material. And this will just be transparent matte. Okay. Set initial references, so item master is get component item master. And in start, I want to capture the starting material. Because I don't want to do that on enable, then every time the game object is enabled, coming into the inventory and then activated in the inventory, what will happen is it'll start capturing the transparent material, because that will become like the current material here. It'll become the primary material, and I'll lose the original material. You can try it out and see what I mean there. It's just a bit of logic. So you capture the starting material in start, and in onEnable, I'll set initial references. And now I need to subscribe to events. So item master dot event object pickup plus equal. We'll change the material set to transparent material. So set to transparent material. So obviously when you pick it up, that's when you want it to be to become transparent. And let me just put this here, event object throw. So when you throw it, you want to set it to the primary material. Okay. So now this doesn't help with objects that are already on the player. So for those, well, I just suggest you can change the code so that it can look for the player. And if it's on the player, then to change the material to transparent to begin with. Or you can just have objects just in front of the player when they start the level as well. So you can increase the complexity of the script, or just set up your scene accordingly. Okay, so that's done. So nice and easy. Going back, let's attach that to the barrel. Item transparency, and I need the material. There we go. and then just hit apply. Done. Okay. So now if I go pick it up, bring it up, there we go. So now I can see through it, and there you go, I dropped it, and it became a normal material again. And so now I can actually see where I'm going and what I'm throwing at. So really, really nice and easy. Alright, so that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you later.